And now a special weather statement. For the following counties, in Indiana, Davies, Greene, Knox, and Sullivan. Elevated fire weather danger today. A combination of wind gusts of around 20 to 25 miles per hour and relative humidity values of 15 to 25% will create an elevated fire weather danger this afternoon. Recent dry weather has left fine fuels, such as grasses and leaf litter, dry and susceptible to ignition. Take precautions if planning to do any outdoor burning today, as conditions are favorable for fire spread. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio WWG 83.